Hi, Travis here, Jensen Complete Wealth. Today's question is about the application of the state of Iowa's retirement income tax exemption. So specifically in that scenario where we have a married couple and there's an age gap. So one is old enough to qualify for the state income tax exemption, the other is not. So sometimes folks are not quite sure. They're like, does it mean we both get it or we don't get it? It's not the case. It's the oldest one. So the one that's qualifying. The example being like, let's say spouse A is 57, spouse B is 53. You know, the 55 is kind of that magic number now. So spouse A would be the only one that gets that state tax exemption. Now, as we think through this, it does present a few planning opportunities that we'd encourage folks not to look over. So the first one is if folks are thinking retiring a little early, you can be pretty strategic about how you're pulling withdrawals in a very tax-friendly manner. Next would be Roth conversions, making sure you're taking this into account. And then the final one would be sequencing your income strategy from a tax alpha perspective. If we can let the younger spouse's pension, maybe, for example, ratchet up while we're taking distributions from the older spouse's tax-free. That'd be like a quick example. If you want to learn a little more, we actually just wrote a blog post about this. You'll find that below, or you can always just reach out. So our contact information is here. If this applies to you or someone you know, feel free to give us a buzz. We can talk through it with you. Have a great day.